Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Kreg Jig is probably one of the most versatile woodworking jigs available, enabling you to create strong, hidden pocket holes for various projects, from simple shelves to intricate furniture, and its ease of use makes it perfect for both beginners and seasoned professionals, offering clean, sturdy joints that enhance the overall quality and aesthetics of your woodworking creations, ultimately saving you time and effort while ensuring professional-looking results. Number 5. Kreg R3 Jr Jig System. This portable jig makes creating strong, lasting joints easy. It's perfect for any home improvement project. It features an easy-to-use clamp adapter that works with most clamps. Setup is quick and simple. Create joints at various angles to reduce pocket hole size. It adapts to your needs. The positioning sliders offer 9 depth settings for joining materials from 1-2 to 1-1-2 thick. It handles a wide range of materials. It's built to last and helps you bridge the gap between your ideas and the finished project. Get professional results with ease. It's the perfect tool for any woodworker, from beginner to expert. Make strong, reliable joints quickly and efficiently. What we like. It's compact and easy to use, perfect for on-the-go projects. If you need a versatile jig for various materials and like the convenience of portability, this is the one for you. Its adjustability makes it suitable for a wide range of woodworking tasks. What people say. The biggest improvement is the built-in offset lip with markings for all typical lumber sizes. Second, with the lip in place, the Kreg clamp I was using was trapped in the jig, and if I wanted to use it for something else, or just put it away, I had to unscrew the lip. Done away with in the new model, there is a spot sized for the clamp that is proud of the jig. Very easy. Third, this comes in a nice little case that holds everything but the clamp. My other was part of a set of Kreg jigs, so when I wanted to throw it into the tool bag to go to a work site, I had to put all the parts in, and some would eventually go missing. Now I can put the case into the tool bag, very handy. Number 4. Kreg KPHJ 320 Pocket Hole Jig. This is the Kreg KPHJ 320 Pocket Hole Jig, perfect for tight spaces and creating strong joints. It's small, durable, and ready to tackle your next project. Despite its compact size, it delivers rock-solid results. It's the ideal tool for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. With it, you can easily create perfect pocket holes every time. Simply drill, drive, and you're done. Easily adjust the drill guides to accommodate materials from 1-2 to 1-1-2 thick. It adapts to your needs. It's a must-have for any toolbox. This durable jig is designed for countless projects and years of reliable use. Kreg tools help bridge the gap between your vision and the finished product. This jig is a testament to that commitment. What we like. This jig is designed for tight spaces and small projects. If you're working on intricate details or repairs and need a reliable tool that won't take up much space, this is perfect. Its compact size and durability make it ideal for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. What people say. The adjustable drill guides make it simple to work with materials ranging from 1-2 to 1-1-2 thick. The thickness gauge allows you to quickly adjust the slide stop on the jig so the holes are created at the right distance from the end of the wood. The thickness gauge also has the built-in hex wrench to adjust the stop collar on the drill bit. This stop collar ensures you drill the holes to the correct depth. Jig is also very configurable. The standard configuration with spacer in between works well for 2x4s. But, if you need to put the holes closer together, you can remove the center spacer. Also, if you need to put the holes in the wood without the end stop slide spacer, you can easily pop off the ends of the jig and then clamp it to the wood. Or, if you just need a single jigs, you can use each on their own. Number 3. Kreg MKJKIT Mini Jig Kit. It's the perfect tool for creating strong joints in small spaces. This compact jig makes woodworking projects easier than ever before. With its steel-enforced drill guide holes, it ensures accuracy and consistency. Say goodbye to wobbly joints. It's ideal for small applications where a larger jig is impractical. This mini jig is perfect for tight spaces and detailed work. It's incredibly versatile and adapts to various materials. You don't need a fence for precise pocket holes. The kit comes complete with a step drill bit, stop collar, hex wrench, and easy-to-follow instructions. Get started right away. It's designed to help you bridge the gap between your ideas and a finished product. Experience the Kreg difference. What we like. It's small and mighty, ideal for small projects where space is limited. If you're looking for a simple, compact jig that delivers strong joints without the need for glue, this is a great choice. It's perfect for small projects and tight spaces. What people say. The mini Kreg jig worked great. It's designed for flat stock, but with some finagling I was able to clamp onto the unusual shapes of the chair spindles, etc., and the repairs seem rock solid. The repair is more solid than the initial bed frame construction. The pocket hole method keeps the smaller boards from splitting in the ends. Number 2. Kreg KPHJ 720 Pro Pocket Hole Jig. This is the Kreg 720 Pro Pocket Hole Jig, designed for easy clamping and adjusting. It's the perfect tool for all your woodworking projects. It features a secure clamping system that adjusts easily to fit various materials. This ensures a perfect fit every time. The kit comes with durable Kreg pocket hole screws, so you have everything you need to get started. No need to buy extra screws. It's ideal for a wide range of projects, handling materials from 1/2 inch to 1/12 inches thick. It's versatile and ready for any job. With this jig, creating strong and reliable pocket hole joints is quick and simple. Drill, drive, and you're done. The drill guide has an anti-slip surface to keep it in place. This ensures accurate and consistent pocket holes every time. Kreg tools help bridge the gap between your woodworking ideas and the finished product. It's the perfect tool to bring your vision to life. What we like. This jig offers superior ease of use and speed. If you value efficiency and a smooth workflow, this is the jig for you. Its durable construction and innovative design make it a reliable tool for any project. What people say. Use this today to make pocket holes for 12 drawers, 12 holes per drawer. Very easy and fast to use. Drills perfect pocket holes. I'm a woodworker and have used Kreg products for quite a while. Kreg apparently listens because every flaw in the others I have owned were fixed with this iteration. Previously, there was an adjustment for the guide and one for the pocket hole bit. This one adjustment on the pocket hole bit, the handle on the unit automatically adjusts for thickness. I also like how all the parts and pieces can be contained in the housing. The entire unit is built well, very sturdy, is very accurate for depth, and functionally, it's perfect. Makes quick work of anything 1/12 or narrower. Dust collection works great. Workpiece doesn't slide around and also doesn't get damaged from over-clamping. Just does what it's supposed to do, and the wings on the unit really help with stabilizing the whole thing. Even has bit driver Allen wrench storage on the back of the unit, so there are even fewer excuses for misplacing them. Number 1. Kreg Jig 320. This is the Kreg Jig 320, your new best friend for woodworking. It makes creating strong, hidden pocket hole joints incredibly easy. It handles materials from 1/2 inch to 1/12 inches thick, covering most common DIY lumber sizes. You'll be able to tackle a wide variety of projects. Setting up is a breeze. It's designed for quick adjustments and features a sturdy build that will last for years. It's tough enough for indoor or outdoor use, with an anti-slip base to keep it steady. It's also incredibly versatile. It creates perfectly aligned pocket holes every time, ensuring strong and reliable joints. Say goodbye to wobbly furniture. It's a Kreg product, so you know it's built to last. We're dedicated to helping you bring your woodworking ideas to life. What we like. This jig offers precision and ease of use for various projects. If you're looking for a reliable and durable jig that's easy to set up and use, this is a great option. Its sturdy construction and lifetime warranty on the drill guide ensure long-lasting performance. What people say. It works exactly as described, and after watching a quick video to explain how it works I was off and running. It's perfect for beginners and experienced woodworkers looking for reliable, precise results. A well-made jig to drill pocket holes, perfect to use for our wood projects. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.